Hello and welcome to Satyam Kraft. This product is an incense stand with two color variations, a grow gold color and a bronze color. The central part you see here has a larger hole to accommodate two incense sticks at once, allowing them to stand upright. It is very easy to use. The best feature is the removable upper attachment, allowing you to directly dispose of the ash without it sticking, making cleaning very efficient. It may appear broken, but it's not. It's intentionally designed that way. If you need to use a single incense stick, you can see smaller holes on the side, enabling the placement of 1 or up to 5 sticks, with a total capacity for 6 sticks. Greetings! This stands as an excellent product, visible in both bronze and gold shades. It's suited even for the extended incense sticks, sans a slender stick base that are prevalent in Thailand and countries in Southeast Asia. These elongated incense can likewise be affixed at the center part and will remain upright. Thank you so much for viewing Satyanarayan.